Let's see how we can solve this equation. 9 to the x plus 1 power is equal to 3. This is a typical exponential equation. And here are the answer choices. Go ahead and pause the video and try the question first. Are we done? Okay, cool. What's the answer? I'll tell you guys first. The answer is D, negative 1/2. And if you did it right, comment down below and let me know. And let me show you guys how we can do this. Let me write this down again. We have 9 to the x plus 1 power, and this is equal to 3. The problem with this is that the bases are different. That's not cool. And the truth is, we don't really have to worry about this too much, because if we focus on the 9 and break it down, 9 is actually the same as 3 times 3. So we can rewrite it as 3 to the second power and then raised to the x plus 1 power, and this is still equal to 3. And you see, this has base 3, likewise this has base 3. We are in good shape. Well, what's next though? Here, when we have 3 to the second power and then to the x plus 1 power, we can multiply the exponents. So I'm just going to put like a parentheses because it has two terms. We are going to multiply the exponents. This is one of the rules of exponents. So when we do that, we will get 3. 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 1 is 2. And on the right hand side, we have this 3. But 3 is the same as 3 to the first power. Now, as we can see, when the bases are the same, the powers must be the same. This is one of the properties of exponential functions. So, we must have this being the same as that. So we can just write down 2x plus 2 has to be equal to 1. And then we can just solve the equation from here. Minus 2 on both sides, we will get 2x equals negative 1, right? Minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 1 is negative 1. And then we can divide the 2 on both sides. X equals negative 1 over 2, just like what I told you over there. So that's how we solve an exponential equation whenever we can make the bases the same. Alright, so you know it. This is the question for you guys to try. Go ahead and solve 16 raised to the x plus 2 power is equal to 4. And here are the answer choices. Comment down below and let me know what you have. Alright? That's it. And of course, check out my other video for more algebra practice questions.